Hello everyone. Many of us have heard about the term Internet of Things and might have wondered what this term is and what kind of technology is it. So in this video we will discuss about IoT and what is so beneficial and what are the possible uses of it and how is it different from Internet of People. So addressing our first question, what is IoT? IoT is nothing but a network of devices or appliances which we use in our daily lives, which enables them to connect with each other, share and access the data collected by each other, and to use that data to enhance our daily lifestyle and productivity. And all of this process can happen without any intervention of humans. For example, our Apple Watch. It can monitor our heart rate, sleep cycles, oxygen levels, fall and crash detection features which tell our watch if we have an accident and call for the emergency service. This is an excellent example of IoT use and the purpose that it intends to serve. But this is only one device. Now, suppose that we have multiple devices all connected together such as our car, smartwatch, our computer, and if one fails due to the damage, the other call the health service using the synchronized data cloud to which all of these are connected. IoT is considered to be the next big thing and the biggest revolutionary technologies of 21st century. Why? Because now we are able to connect our everyday devices to a network and use that collective data to enhance our quality of life. A business perspective of that would be if companies are allowed to access our data, they could provide us with better and personalized services through data analytics. To make you understand this concept and again take an example of a smart home. Let's suppose that I live in a smart home. For this example, I'm taking a few devices which are connected and can communicate with each other through a private network, which is built just for my house. I have a smartwatch, a smart fridge, a phone, a room heater, and a lighting system in the house. Let us suppose my usual waking time is around 5 and 6 in the morning, and I wear my smartwatch while I'm sleeping. So, my smartwatch can gauge my sleep pattern and identify the right time to wake me up. It can also share my waking time with my room heater to cool down my room. My house will also use that data to turn on the lights or open the curtains or the night lights to allow me to wake up with breathing fresh air. Or it can just heat on its own when I am about to arrive at home at the evening. And these are just the examples. We can now introduce any device to this system: washing machine, coffee maker, microwave, fan, you name it, and it could be added. Let's add one more thing to my this system, and that would be my car. Now, if I have to go to my office at 8 and suppose that I live in a cold country, my network could turn my car on to heat its engine half an hour before or so, saving me a lot of time. Now I have had my tea and I am on my way to my office. My Tesla Model X can optimize its diet itself by learning from my driving patterns and my route to save the battery or even suggest me a different route if there is something wrong on my route which I usually take. We can literally add anything to our system just by attaching sensors and communication mechanisms to our everyday devices. So, all the above examples were of household. Does IoT has any business outside of it? Well, a big yes. IoT is used and helpful in many sectors, every sector, every industry, and in every way you can think. In manufacturing, IoT is used to get the product data in different stages of manufacturing. It may also use a video sensor of high resolution to check the quality of the product at any stage in the manufacturing. It can also lead to saving of time and to catch the defects in manufacturing at their source. Another use of IoT in manufacturing sector could be in inventory management. It can check if all the raw materials are in adequate quantity, and by assessing the rate of their consumption and their delivery time, it could prompt the manager, the owner, to order the delivery of that product. Many cases, it has become much versatile and an inseparable part of the process.